This is Marek from MCFitness, and this is a foam rolling introduction from Fit at Home series. This video will show you how to do an easy exercises at home here on the mat, and also I'm going to introduce you to foam rolling, to its fundamental movements and also the benefits. I'll describe what the foam rolling is good for and when to use it. Alright? So as you can see, I'm sitting already and I've been foam rolling for a while. You can do this as well at home, watching the TV or in the office, and hide the foam roller under the table and have this little feet massage at work as well. Alright? So let's move to the mat and I will show you the exercises as we go. So as we are here on the mat, you can see it's a standard length of the mat. I'm using a soft dense foam roller, medium size. I like it the way because I can put extra pressure on the muscle whenever I want. Now in this video you'll see the exercises that you can do at home. It can be easily done at in a sports hall, wherever you like. It can be done by anyone and anywhere. Now what are the main benefits? Obviously, if you're moving on the mat, I'd like to point out that if it hurts, you can just fold the mat in this kind of shape so it is a bit softer on the bottom. Also, when you move in the foam roller, you can split it in half when you do single leg exercise, and you can move it in the middle as well. So always make sure you've got enough room for the exercise. And I will start with the shins. And now, if you can do a single leg or you can do a double leg, if you do a single leg, just place the shin on the foam roller like this, and you slightly move forward and backwards. Alright? What you want to do, or first rule of the foam rolling, is you want to start from the bottom to the top. Alright? So you can do a single leg foam rolling just like this on your shin, or you can do also a double, right? So you place both shins on the foam roller, you get into the position. I recommend you to cross legs like this, and what's going to happen, and you just foam roll front and back just like this. It's good for a core as well. You can find it painful at the beginning. If you find it that way, you can do a single leg and you'll take it from there. Alright? Now we're going to do the thighs. I would like to point out here that when you do thighs, you want to start from the knee about 3/4 of the quadriceps femoris, right? So here you place your thighs on the foam roller in some sort of plank position, okay? You start from the point right just above the knee and you slide down, okay? About 3/4, just like this, slowly. As I mentioned, you want to start from the bottom to the top because the lymphatic system, whereas the metabolic waste doesn't have a pump like blood, which is our heart. So you want to enhance that movement in the lymphatic system towards your trunk. Okay? So this is the thighs. When you find a spot that it really hurts, you want to keep it on that spot and slightly move front and back. Alright? Keep your body flat. It will help you to maintain a good position and good pressure on the foam roller. Okay? What is also important to mention during the foam rolling is you want to breathe during the exercise. Okay? You don't want to hold your breath. It is a joyful session, so you want to really enjoy the time with your body, and breathing is a part of it. Alright? Now, on this side, I'm just move this foam roller, as I mentioned, in the left hand side of the mat, and I'm going to place my hip just above the point where we finished foam rolling. Okay? It is for the hip flexor here. Okay? And you start moving slowly front and back. So you're using the edge of the foam roller, okay, and you're rolling slightly towards to your hips. Okay, you do this on the both sides. I'm just showing on the left hand side, and then you move it on the right hand side and you do the same. Right, so from the hip flexors, now what you want to do, you want to do the outer thigh as well. Okay, so you move the foam roller slightly outside of the mat place your thigh on the foam roller just like this. You can stretch your leg and just move and slightly downwards and front. Yes? It's pretty much it. What is recommended to do for a foam rolling session is either do between 12 to 15 repetitions, but I usually do a minute in every single exercise. I just want to make sure that the fascia of the muscle is very well treated. Okay, so you do this. All right, exercise. Now, of course, you want to swap the sides. So I'm just going to do that for you. I just move around like this and do the same with the left leg. Okay, front and back. So from the hip bone all the way to the knee joint, and this is a nice outer thigh abductor muscle movement. Okay. As you're here, you can stay on the foam roller because we're going to move to a sitting position, and now this is quite popular with the athletes, that in a sitting position you can do just a short movement front and back. Okay, but even more beneficial is when you move on the side, you move to the gluteus muscles. Okay, you can either do this nicely around the hip, just like this, all right? Or you can even cross your leg and add additional pressure to it, okay? Just right here. Okay, this feels great. All right, moving front and back. Awesome, all right? You do the same on the other side, okay? So basically what you want to do is just, you want to make sure that you know your muscles when you know your body, okay? So stay just on the side like this and move front and back. Okay, you go the full length. There we go. Okay? Excellent. From as you're sitting, I'm just move slightly down and start foam rolling on the calves. So here I explain a few movements on the foam roller. So rolling itself, you can do the single leg or two legs at the same time. Okay, so this movement is called foam rolling. So you would start only on the muscle. You don't need to go to the Achilles tendon and so forth. So you will start here nicely on the calf. Okay, this movement is called rolling. And also there's a move called spanning. Okay, so you move from the left to the right. Yeah? So spanning and rolling. Okay, those are two basic movements. And you do calves either single or both. You want to lift your core up, can be a bit challenging at the beginning. So if you want to start easily, just do a single. Now when we move to hamstrings, I prefer to use legs and roll all over. Okay, from the knee, just under the gluteus muscle. Okay, keep it there. Find the most comfortable position so you catch the full length of the exercise and the muscle itself. Alright, so this is for hamstrings. Now it is not recommended to use a foam roller on the lower back because it can be actually harmful. Now when you're talking about latissimus dorsi, you would start foam rolling just under. I would suggest to cross your arms, open shoulder blades, and find the inner trapezius muscle. Okay? So you stay in this position, do 12 to 15 as I mentioned. Okay? You can also raise your hands up. Okay? And as you move slightly towards your neck, you can raise your arms all the way up, keeping the shoulder blades, catching your shoulders as well. Okay, and once you've done that, place your foam roller under the neck and just look to the left and look to the right. It is not really recommended to roll on your neck, but you want to do spanning. Okay, so from the left to the right. Okay, few repetitions on that here on the atlas vertebra, and it is awesome. Okay, so from here, what I want to tell is then it is recommended to, the main benefits are you can use it either before the workout, which stimulates the muscle and circulation, it prepares muscle for the performance, and also after the workout, it reduces the soreness of the next day, so you can get back to your workout sooner. As usual, also it's been proven by research that it reduces the signs of your cellulite, yeah, which is awesome as well. So what I would say, do 2-3 times a week. Consistency is very important in with foam rolling, and of course stay tuned and subscribe for further videos I'm going to prepare for you from either Fit at Home series or other. And yes, enjoy the time with your body, know it from the inside out, and it will serve you the better. Okay, so this is Marek from MCFitness. Stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Ciao, ciao.